Welcome. I'm going to give you a quick overview of the features in SilverModel to help you get started. During this introduction, I'll be showing the example of adding entity framework code generation to a model. Let's first look at the UML class designer for your models. This has been optimized to allow you to turn your models into code. You can open the UML class designer by selecting a model in the UML Explorer view and pressing the View Diagram button. There are 5 main parts to the designer. The design plane, where you can design your models, the UML Explorer, which shows the outline of your model for quick navigation, the properties view, which shows the properties for a UML element, the toolbox, which shows the UML tools for the designer, and the generator view, which shows the code generators that are active for the model. SilverModel uses colors in the class diagram so that you can easily see the parent-child relationships within the model. The darkest blue represents any parent classes for that class, and the lighter blue is for any child objects of that class. This allows you to quickly see at a glance the parent-child relationships for a class. When we click on the Generators tab, we can see all the available code generators for the model are displayed. We can quickly choose which generators we want to use within the model. Once we have chosen a new code generator, its defined metadata will be added to the model. You can add as many code generators as you want. We will now add the entity framework code generator. We can see when we click on one of the attributes in the class that all the properties for the class are now displayed along with the required metadata for the entity framework code generator. By clicking on the model, we can also see the added output path metadata that the generated code will be output to. Now let's look at a code generator. The code generators have been designed to integrate tightly with the class diagrams to allow the production of high quality code. In this instance, we'll be looking at the entity framework code generator. Within the code generator, we can see that there are a number of stereotypes already defined, such as an EF primary key, which has been added to the attribute stereotypes. We will now look at the properties for this attribute stereotype. The stereotype can be defined to collect a wide range of metadata from booleans through to documentation fields. Again, this has been made as flexible as possible to enable you to create the code you desire. I will now open up a code generator template so that you can have a look at the Razor editor. The Razor editor has built-in color coding to help you see what is Razor code and what is your code. Razor templates use a powerful API, allowing you to have full access to the underlying models. The API has been optimized towards ease of use to allow you to quickly get started in the creation of code generators. The Razor editor also comes with a preview tab so that you can quickly see what code will be produced during the code generation phase. This allows you to quickly debug and create your code generation templates. Hope you've enjoyed this quick overview of SilverModel. If you have any questions, please visit our support site and we will be more than happy to answer your questions.